Good morning, teacher. Good morning, companions. Best regard. My name is Marlon. I study engineer environmental. The place where appear in the picture is the mountain Chacon. It is a typical place to go out to exercise. This is a wonderful place that is calm and away from the noise of the city. It is best to go journeying in the morning because it is a high part where the sunrise are strong receive. The mountain Chacon is a beautiful place in my hometown. From there you can see all the city of Sogamoso. It is a perfect place to breathe fresh air, that there are no transport routes. There is only way to climb. They are natural labyrinths which start at the top of the mountains and the ends of the base of the mountain. Sometimes people on the top of the mountain selling chicha and masato, ideal to refresh. The mountain of Chacon is seen from back of my house and motivates to go journeying in the morning. Thank you.